Hey, what's up everybody? Today we're exploring the anatomy of the bleed stopper kit from MyMedic. Let's go ahead and dive in and check this thing out. One of the cool things about these packs is they have the resealable top here. So if you pull something out of it, use it, you can go ahead and seal this back up. If you dump everything out of it, you can save your bag, put your sandwich in there for your lunch the next day, whatever. So let's talk about what's actually in this kit. Now this kit is one of the higher end items, a little more expensive in the med packs. You can get a kit out there at your local box store for 50 bucks and have 400 pieces. 300 of those pieces are Band-Aids, a couple pieces of gauze, stuff like that. That's great, but none of those things are gonna save your life. If I need one of these and don't have it in the field, someone's gonna die. If I need a Band-Aid or a piece of gauze in the field, that person's gonna be just fine. So keep that in mind, put it in perspective. These things will save a life. So let's talk about what you get in this kit. A set of gloves. Obviously you're gonna glove up if you're treating somebody else, protect yourself. You get a tourniquet. So this one happens to be the RAT Tourniquet, but whatever tourniquet that we offer, you can get in this kit. So you can be very specific with that. You've got your QuikClot hemostatic gauze. So this is actually gauze that's impregnated with a hemostatic agent. So you've got a big chunk of gauze here, a big roll of gauze with an agent that will help clot that blood. So that's great. Hand in hand with that is your emergency trauma dressing, so you can get some pressure on top of that wound. And then of course, for anything in the torso, anything in what I call the box, which is neck to navel all the way around, always gets a chest seal in that area. So very complete kit for those traumatic injuries, those major bleeds. Highly encourage you getting one of these, at least one that you can take with you, whatever you do. All right guys, that's the bleed stopper med pack from MyMedic. I wanna thank you guys for showing up and stepping up your first aid game. I'm your guide, Billy Haley, helping you stay alive.